after finishing first coating, so we need a final coating now for this area. Okay, so no need to be rushed. It's almost done. It's dry. See, it's done. Okay, so start now to applying. Okay, so that's it. Bottom. Okay, that's all for now. The second coating, and after dry, that's done. Okay, so it's easy to repair the other area, the paint. Okay, because I have no excess paint for now for this color, so become balance. Okay, as I said, I have no stock for this color to complete this portion. See, and this going here to repair this area. Okay, there's some issue here, so we need to fix this also, the paint from here and from here. Okay, so it's not totally done, but the other side are done in this area yesterday. Okay, so for now guys, we need to chill because all issues almost done. Okay, that's what I saying, how to finish this. So for now guys, we need to recharge first our cell phone. It's totally low bat at 5%. So see you guys again, and click the notification bell for more videos to come on my channel, YouTube channel, Amazing Tips by Robert Adaya. So you can see step by step our content and videos just to finish all the blog and projects about this vehicle. Okay, see you guys later. Hopefully you enjoy it, and please subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos to come. That's all. See you guys for this video to finish the first and second coating for today. Okay, hope you like it. See you again guys. Bye.